Welcoming you to the course titled Automation in Production Systems and Management. So, I will just briefly highlight the contents of the course, the objectives of the course, and what is the basic the purpose of running this course, and the to what extent your ability, your potential, your capability as a learner, as a student, as a researcher, you will improve in a particular area called automation in production systems and management. Now, this the course title already I have told you, that is the automation in production systems and management, and it is offered for a discipline, a management, and specifically in operations area of management. The duration of the course is 12 weeks, 30 hours, and as you may be knowing that in each week we will have 2 hours and a half the interaction sessions for each week. And what actually we have planned to teach almost all the important aspects related to automation in manufacturing and production systems. Almost all these issues we will be discussing. Now, I will just highlight the certain important aspects, so that you also must be aware of that what is the background, why this particular course you should opt for. Now, this course will be offered at the UG as well as the PG level, and definitely the PhD research scholars, they also may opt for this particular course. Now, as you may be aware that this particular course maps to courses such as automation in manufacturing and management of manufacturing systems as per AICTE MBA PGDBM curriculum. This course helps participants assess the status of improvement practices of production systems in a manufacturing organization. That is our focus, in fact, and the persons educated and trained like you in the topics of the course become the driving force in their career path. So, this is very, very important behind the successful implementation of automated production systems in their organizations. Now, the main objectives of this course I want to highlight. The objective is to introduce the fundamentals of automation in manufacturing systems with major emphasis on application of the state of the art techniques and processes. There are many such the tools, techniques and the processes we use, we actually the design we implement for making an automated system. And what do we want to achieve? We want to achieve the best possible planning and control in a manufacturing and production environment. The knowledge in the topics as mentioned in the course outline is essential to achieve these objectives. Now, the course is intended to be designed for creating a knowledge base, and that is very important, of the state of the art manufacturing systems, particularly in designing and developing automated systems and subsystems. So, basically our focus is on the production systems, and as you may be aware that the manufacturing system is a part of it. That means it is a subset of production systems, and in a production system there are many kinds of subsystems, not only manufacturing, and what is most important is that before you go for automation, you must be able to integrate all these subsystems. So, the integration followed by the automation. So, this course is designed to teach the basic concepts and the tools and techniques and methods. There are several methods can employed in the broad area of automation of manufacturing and production in general, and computer based numerical control, flexible manufacturing systems, process planning in manufacturing in particular, to the students at the undergraduate and postgraduate level. So, this is our focus, and this is the course outline. I will just mention the topics that we are going to cover per week. That means, in the week 1, I will just the 12 weeks, 12 specific topics we are going to cover: introduction in manufacturing and production systems, automation in manufacturing and production systems, product development process and automation, fundamentals of NC technology, then flexible and programmable automation part we will discuss, and cellular manufacturing systems, and then we move to flexible manufacturing system, which is referred to as the 100% automated mid volume, mid variety computer control systems. And so, we will come to know all the details about FMS and the fundamentals of robotic systems and automated computer aided process planning. So, I have included almost all sorts of the topics in which you must develop your knowledge, and you will be in a position, you develop your potential, you develop your capability to make the system, manufacturing system, a truly automated one. So, I hope that this particular course will help you in understanding the working of an automated system and how to implement automated system under what conditions. Obviously, while we go through this topic, there will be numerical examples, we will be referring to several types of case studies, and the knowledge in this particular the domain will be really will be very good, and you will have the confidence in the application of the tools and the techniques for making a production system an automated one, whether it is a hard automation or flexible automation or programmable automation. Okay. So, I hope that you will be joining this particular course enthusiastically, and there will be real value addition. Okay. So, wish you all the best.